Hello, my name is Aldo Morales Kipo. I am the computation. I am for semester A environmental. I am a student at Continental University. Today las del work mi daily routine. Personal information. I Peruvian. I like explanatory students and lives and what makes really enjoy traveling and discovering new places. On Saturdays and Sundays, I check single mañana to laundry and on university work. I also spend time with my family and travel from Kipachero to Kitten and Bus. I always work during the week and usually studying the afternoon works and travel frequently on participating family activities, meeting even on with friends. My skills and preferences studies and work and organizing team. I can also help to net and in practice AI in Italian solution in Mexico that support low-income families work with children and youth people and shared meeting with them helping to take markets. I import class evening towels and to calendar to help since the with patterning on Saturdays and Sundays I go from morning to night. There is an oratory where people care are nurses homes in the districts and the capital there are schools, universities and hospitals. Opportunities people for me this is a very special place because I feel live in with my family and friends of good for once. Gracias.